So Monsoon is here, and I just wanted to talk about some new stuff that I've done on my phone. This is called a gas bag, and this is basically, it's like a suction thing, and you just lift it, and it's not just a place where you can hold it becomes like a stand for your phone, and then it's also a way where you can hold your phone like this. So this is basically, I really like this because it means that I can shoot like this, I can hold my phone like this, and it creates a very steady part, and it's also, like I showed, a nice place where I can just put my phone on a stand. Now, talking about rainproof, so this is basically like it's like a bag. Now this is what I know it looks very basic, but it's not. So when you open it, it has 3 locks. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So these locks, basically, you open this and you slide your phone into this. Okay, now my phone is sealed. Now I seal this, and I twist that and I lock this. So now my phone is sealed completely. Now why this is really cool isn't just because it's got a strap that I can put around my, like a small little bag. I can put my money in this as well. But what I really like about this is that I can shoot with this. So if I just smoothen this, and I can just shoot whatever I want in the rain. So you're going to get, monsoon has begun in Bombay, so you're going to get a lot of rain shots from me. And this is rainproofing of my phone. Then if you just want to carry it like a wristband, just wrap this up like this. You can hold it like this, or you can wear it like a bag. It's really good. So this is rainproofing your phone for the monsoon.